Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video. In this video we will be discussing that how you can change your Twitter account username on your mobile phone. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, go to your Twitter app and from here on the top left corner you will see your profile picture. Click on that and then scroll down a little bit and click on settings and support and then click on settings and privacy. From here, you will see an option on the top which says your account. This option will allow you to change or see your account information. So click on that and then click on your account information. From here on the top, you will see your username. Click on your username and now you can edit your username according to your choice. So let me make some changes to my username. So after you are satisfied changing your username, click on the done button and there you have it. Your username is now updated. You can go on to your profile and you can see the new username is appearing there. So that's it for this video. That's how you can update your username on your mobile phone for your Twitter account. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Cheers.